Welcome to my vlog, a day in the life of an OT student with disabilities.
Day 4, starting a home health
My impairments are lower
evaluation
extremity
to
weakness
ensure that
and
it'll
I
be
am
safe
hearing
and that
impaired.
there are.
Here's me leaving class after a long day, getting my backpack on, and we're headed to the restroom. All right, here's me ambulating down the hallway, going into the restroom, which is handicap accessible. I will be using the handicap stall, so my walker and my backpack can be stored safely as I use the restroom. Here's me leaving the stall. I am going to perform hand hygiene. Dry my hands, and we'll be headed to my car to complete some daily tasks and run some errands that I need to run. And we're headed to the elevator. Ooh! I swear the elevator timed it just right to close on me. But we made it to the first floor. I am going to use the handicap door. And we are going to ambulate down the stairs. All right, here I am ambulating up this hill to my vehicle, and I'll be storing my walker in the back seat and getting myself in the front seat. And I do have my partner who is recording me for safety reasons and make sure I am safe in the community as I get my errands ran. Okay, the first stop of the day is getting gas so I can complete my errands. And I am taking out my walker, setting that up, getting out my card to purchase my gas. And we are filling up. Next stop is Kroger. I am taking out my walker because I am hearing impaired. It is imperative that I am aware of all of my surroundings. And today there were no scooter buggies available, no mobile scooters available. So I had to use a regular basket and put my walker inside the basket, and I just held onto the buggy while I did my grocery shopping. So here we are. We're on the move. I hope y'all enjoyed that little snippet of some music in the background. That was my camera lady. That's my partner for this project. And I didn't even know she was singing behind me until I edited this video. So I hope you enjoyed it.
Hey chat, vote yes if you think that I should just be the best voiceover person ever. Because I think I'm really killing it with this witch. Oh, wild shot. Wait, y'all go. Oh, close up. Keep getting all the shots. People good content.
So here I am at self-checkout. I always go to self-checkout. So I wanted to do this simulation as if I was my normal self instead of going through a regular checkout line. And it was a challenge for me because I had to manage the basket, I had to manage the rolling walker, and also I had to bag my groceries while having to manage the rolling walker and the buggy at the same time. I double bagged because I know later on when I'm bringing my groceries up to my apartment, I was only going to be able to hold it in one hand. So here's me returning my buggy. And I saw this older lady in the community that was struggling to get a larger buggy, and I just gave her mine so she didn't have to walk over there. So yeah, that's me being. And here I had a threshold challenge where the wheels of the front walker did not cross over the uneven terrain easily. But here I am at the bus stop. I am going to be taking the jet bus that is here in the community. It's a public transportation services that is handicap accessible. And this was a challenge for me because I was not able to position my walker up the stairs, which caused some difficulty. And as you can see here, I will be folding my walker and closing it so I can ambulate through the bus aisle. And this is me getting off the bus. Now I have made it home, and here is my next challenge, ambulating up 3 flights of stairs to get into my apartment. And yes, I'm having to manage and work through how I'm going to ambulate up these stairs. I have a water bottle in one hand, so I can't hold onto the handrail that well. But as you can see, I'm making it. Made it. Now we are about to put up my groceries. Now that I have put the groceries away, I'll be performing my leisure activity, which is walking my dog. dog, Bentley. This is Bentley, everyone. He is a Schnauzer Poodle mix, and he is 11 years old. And I just donned my shoes sitting to conserve energy and for safety. And I'll be grabbing my rolling walker so we can head out the door and down the stairs. So this is us leaving the apartment, and we're going to be going down the stairs. He was confused on why I was taking so long when he has to potty. So this is me going as fast as I can, but safely. And here we are. We finally made it. As you can see, he's already around the corner handling his business. So here we are walking. Now I am back from our walk, and I am about to make a quick lunch. And my meal of choice will be a grilled cheese. So as you guys can see, because I have lower extremity weakness, I'll be sitting to conserve my energy as I make my hot meal. And yeah, safety first, everyone. So be aware of hot surfaces, and yeah, watch your meal so it doesn't burn. And in the comments below, tell me how you make your grilled cheese. This is how I make mine. Perfect. And there we have it, grilled cheese. So while I let my grilled cheese cool down, I'm going to go ahead and wash the dishes, which is a household task. And I'll be performing another household task here shortly. All right, we're gonna put that dish to the side and let it dry. And here I am doing some laundry. So my little pup this morning, he had a bellyache and he threw up on his little cushion. So I had to wash that before going to class. So I took that out the washer and put it in the dryer. And now I'm putting my dirty clothes into the washer. performing a safe transfer from standing to sitting. And here I am eating my grilled cheese. It is so good. And this is a ADL for occupational therapy, feeding and eating. So thank you for watching. Hope you learned a lot.